All right. Good morning, everyone. My name is Alfonso Quijano, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Lean Solutions Group. And I'm very excited to be here to talk about the launch of our brand new identity and the launch of our new AI product, LeanTech Agent Edge. Now, for those of you that don't know, Lean Solutions Group is a next-gen technology and services provider that is building the future of work with humans and AI. And you may also not know this, but Lean actually moves billions in freight and powers millions through our technology services, for the past 10 years with over 600 clients and over 12,000 employees. And I want to start off with something that's very exciting, but Lean just came off a fantastic year, an incredible, phenomenal year of growth, incredible customer retention, and our customers using our services and technology more than ever, which is interesting in the middle of a perpetual freight recession and with AI coming in and talking about trimming teams at all costs. So I wonder, why is that? And there's many reasons, but I want to point to one in particular that I find interesting, which is a simple economic principle called Jevons paradox, which talks about how as technology gets cheaper, easier, and better, its consumption actually goes up instead of going down. And we're experiencing that firsthand through our experts in the loop. As the cost of transaction goes down and volume of its use goes up, more exceptions are coming our way, and our experts in the loop are ready for the taking. But we haven't really been asleep at the wheel when it comes to technology either. In fact, we've been working with over 50 customers over the past year, building the new generation of AI for logistics. And we're finally ready to unveil it to the world. And, today I want to, talk about what that looks like, what Agent Edge is able to do through the lens of our experts in the loop. And start with a very simple item, which is our AI workflows view. So we've built LeanTech Agent Edge to be the home of all types of workflows, from all the simple stuff that you have seen in various demos, like voice automation for track and trace, appointment scheduling, to more complicated elements like POD retrieval, carrier sales, quoting, and more. You can think of Agent Edge as your ecosystem, your workflow platform for all of your automations. In fact, I have some pulled up here where you can see how millions of transactions are recorded within our platform, where we have a simple example here of what we call a POD matcher, an invoice reconciliation process for domestic freight, where it automatically matches a POD document with the information from the TMS and raises any exceptions that may be required in order to be able to proceed with that process and automatically inject it into an accounting system. I have another example here with an appointment scheduling process where you can see our platform being able to manage voice AI-related automations in real time with full recordings here, voice automation platform, outcomes, and also exception management right here in the platform. We also have the ability to do more complex processes. So here you see the true power of LeanTech Agent Connect, LeanTech Agent Edge, being able to manage multi-step workflows, including voice and one simple execution, including email, the ability to communicate with customers in real time and extract information, communicate with facilities, carriers, vendors, and finally, also have the ability to extract information in real time. And in this particular case, read images off of verification platforms, repo lots in this particular scenario, and extract whether the images have keys or any type of damage that can be reported back into the system, all with AI. I have another example here for you with another invoice reconciliation process where a simple rules allows us to determine if this is able to be moved into the system or led back to our exception management service. And finally, our last example is our ability to run full end-to-end dispatching solutions. In this particular case, we've simplified this view for this demo, but we have the ability to extract information from the Lowe's vendor system and extract all that information into our system with an agentic process automation that is then able to understand all the different statuses of the routes in real time and remove hundreds of hours of work. Our team is able to then manage and see all that in real time and be able to interact with any exceptions that come our way. Now, I wanted to show you all of these different functionalities. Again, things like endless memory, full context of all the workflows, those things are table stakes for us at this point. And I'm very excited to show you some of the ways that we're thinking about integrating Lean Tech Agent Edge with our new feature, our AI Brain. We can go back to this view here and show you a little bit about the home of the AI Brain. The AI Brain is the summary of all of the different executions, all of the different context of all automations that happen within your logistics ecosystem. You can interact with it in several different areas. You can interact with it right here from your AI Brain Copilot. You can interact with it in Slack. You can interact it with all of your different communication platforms. So yeah, I can ask it something like, what are my latest executions? And one thing that's really cool about the AI Brain is that since we are so focused on the ability to have our experts in the loop be able to provide feedback automatically to the system, we've actually enabled a view where users have the ability to interact with the AI Brain and provided continuous suggestions so that your workflows can get better and better. We'll leave it some time to think there. And while it's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and show you where all of those exceptions lie. As your AI Brain gets smarter and smarter, we'll have the ability to throw those exceptions for a human to be, or an expert in the loop, to be able to enhance your workflows in real time. So things like, for example, being able to refine the rules by which the appointments that are being scheduled through voice or portals are managed. And you'll be able to see the data related to the ROI in that in real time within your platform. You'll be able to see things related to the AI, the ROI savings, monthly savings, and more. See if we got an answer here. So as you can see, our AI Brain there talked about the latest executions. I can ask about any latest exceptions related to those. Our AI Brain can run executions. Our AI Brain can manage your entire workforce, right from any communication channels that you signal. Let's leave it some time to think there as well.